ऑल नो मेरा तो पहला आईफा है. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड अभी तक मुझे सारे अवार्ड्स मिले हैं, लेकिन आई एम वेटिंग फॉर आईफा. आई होप वो भी मुझे मिले तो मेरी एक बड़ी सी मैं एक पार्टी रखने वाली हूँ. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. ट्रम्प कार्ड ये है कि वो बहुत ऑथेंटिक है. वोटिंग प्रोसेस से ही पता चल जाता है कि देर इज़ गोइंग टू बी नो रिगिंग, देर इज़ गोइंग टू बी नो फेवरेटिज्म, देर इज़ गोइंग टू बी नथिंग. आपको अवार्ड सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं मिलता है क्योंकि आप हैं. आपको तभी मिलेगा जब आपके लिए सब वोट करेंगे. तो मुझे पता है कि जो भी विनर्स होंगे आईफा में जून में, सबको पता होगा कि यू नो व्हाट, आई हैव गॉट द अवार्ड ऑन माय ओन मेरिट. And I think इसलिए आईफा सबसे ज़्यादा स्पेशल है.
For me, it's the first time experience. Whatever I know is through the media. Thank you. And yes, I also have an enviable collection of awards. But if IFA comes in, it will complete everything for me. It's amazing that we can be a part of it. And हम लोगों के लिए बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग है क्योंकि हम लोगों को रियलाइज होता है कि हम लोग एक पार्ट हैं इस इंडस्ट्री के. हम लोगों को मौका दिया जाता है कि अपने वोट कास्ट किए जाएं. So it's a very good and different feeling.
It's always an exciting time for us when we're told that it's that time of the year when we have to take off for the IFA Awards. Of course, the voting process in itself is exciting because very rarely and very seldom does the industry get an opportunity to vote for the industry. So it's heartwarming to see many names come up in those lists that you know, you've worked with, you're friends with. And then it becomes really tough when you have to name someone else who you know, obviously, who deserves the vote. I think as a friend of IFA, as someone who has had several years of an association with IFA, each time we come back with wonderful new memories, and all of you participate and are a part of that process of accumulating these wonderful memories in different parts of the world. And we're all, I think, as an industry, looking forward to IFA again this year.
As you all know, this is one award which is voted by the people, for the people, which is the film industry. We know it, everyone knows it, but we're still saying it because we're proud that it is from amongst the fraternity that we vote for the best excellence in every field. In the last 13 years, it has grown in popularity. It has helped the trade between the countries. It has helped the movies to open up in those countries even more than it was before, wherever it is there already. I'd like to say that we're all, as always, looking forward to being there, enjoying that fabulous weekend, and interacting with the people of the country. And we hope that everyone enjoys it just as much as we do. Thank you very much.